Every month, Burda Style magazine offers you a wide range of models, with patterns on a detachable pattern sheet. Once you've chosen your pattern, you'll be able to indicate its reference number, the sizes available, and its degree of difficulty. Refer to the pattern's instructions to find your pattern on the sheet. Detach the pattern sheet from the magazine and cut along the indicated lines. You can iron the pattern sheet as long as you don't use steam. In the instructions, you'll find the sheet with your pattern, the pattern line color, the number of pieces to trace, and the line corresponding to your size. The numbers at the edge of the sheet will help you locate your pattern pieces. Use tissue paper to trace the different pattern pieces. You can trace curves with dotted lines and straight lines with a ruler. It's important to note all pattern markings, such as the notch numbers, the grain lines, the slit markings, and the pleat markings, as they provide the information needed to assemble the pattern. You can also trace your patterns with transparent film. Don't hesitate to pin your paper to the pattern sheet for greater stability. When a pattern piece cannot be printed full length on the sheet, it should be extended from the arrow to the length indicated. Large pieces that cannot be extended by a straight line are traced in two pieces on the sheet. After being traced, these parts are pasted together edge to edge. The connecting line is indicated by a double line and small triangles, which serve as markers and should be placed opposite each other. For information on seam and hem allowances, please refer to the instructions. If a seam allowance needs to be added, you can add it to your pattern pieces. Cut out the individual pieces. Your pattern is now ready to be placed on the fabric. Thank you.